students, I am Nityanand Upadhyay and I am going to teach you computer application. And in this we will learn about word processors. So previously we have learned about several types of tabs and options available in MS Word. Today we will face another things. So let's see what's new for us. Insert tab. Today we will learn about the insert tab. This tag provides number of options to insert different types of object in our document to make it attractive and more readable. Insert tab page group. Cover page. This option helps us to set an attractive cover to our document. Means whenever we create our document, if we want to make the first page very attractive, we can use this particular option. A blank page. We can with this option we can insert a new page in our document. As we know that if one page becomes full, so MS Word used to automatically insert a page for further writing. But if you have typed only half of a particular page and you want to insert a new page, at that time you can use this option. Now page break. If you want to break your page in more than one parts, so you can use this option. Now insert tab tables group. It helps us to insert table in a Word document. As you are knowing that table is a combination of rows and columns, and it is used to organize data in a summarized manner. So if you want to insert a table in Word document, you can use this option. Because of this, we can manage our data in meaningful way. Means while by inserting a table, we can manage our data in meaningful way in our document. Insert tab illustration group. In this we can insert pictures. It helps us to insert picture in our document. Online pictures option provides us facility to insert picture from internet. Now shapes group used to provide this. It gives us facility to insert number of inbuilt shapes related to different field in our document. Means if you want to create any type of diagram, if you want to create a flow chart, so you can use shapes from this particular option. Now smart art. With this option we can insert shapes into document in more attractive way. We can insert chart with this option. We can represent our data in pictorial form. With the help of a screenshot option, we can also insert the screenshot in our document with this option. Insert tab apps group. This group provides you facility to use some external applications from Microsoft Office Store. For this, first of all, we have to make an account on MS Office. Insert tab media group. With the help of this option, we can insert online videos in our document or a video which has been saved previously in our local system. Now insert tab links group. With the help of this option we can create different types of links. You can see there are 3 types of links available previous in hyperlink, bookmark and cross reference. So we can insert these 3 in our document with the help of link group option. Now insert tab comments group. This option helps us to insert comment about any statement in our document. Now insert tab header and footer group. Header is a special object in a document which shows special information like page number, author's name, chapter name, date, etc. It placed at the top of page. Steps are insert header and footer group. And header means if you want to insert a header in your document, you have to click on insert tab, then you have to go to header and footer group, and then from there you have to select header option. Now footer is a special object of a document which displays information like page number, author's name, chapter name, date, etc. It's placed at the bottom of the page. And steps to insert a footer is click on insert tab, then go to header and footer group, and then click on footer. Now page number. This option is used to insert automated page number on a specific position on every page of document. Now insert tab text group. In text group we get option text for text box, and text box provides us facility to insert some special text at any user defined position with different formatting. It acts like an individual placeholder for text. Means if you want to insert a text in abnormal way, means not in a traditional manner line by line, if you want to insert any text on a special place in your document, so you can use to insert text box for typing special text and to format it in a different manner. Now word out option is also available in MS Word. This provides us option to insert some artistic text in our document to make it more attractive. As you can see, different type of styles of text is available. So you can use word art to make your text more decorative. Now insert tab symbol group. Equation. This option helps us to insert any mathematical equation in our document. As in the picture you can see different type of equation we can type or we can insert in our document while typing the question paper or any type of information related to mathematics or physics. Now insert tab symbol group. In symbol group there is an option for symbols also. This helps us to insert different type of symbols used in different field of life. As in picture you can see different type of symbols are available, and from the more symbol option we can get type of symbols used in different part of world for a specific manner. So we can use symbols, we can insert symbols from the symbol option available in symbol group of MS Word. Thank you students. Thanks for today.